click on the message bar at the bottom and select Imagine Prompt. After that, enter the prompt like a home entrance with a huge basalt boulder and CO2 absorbing plants around it. It would have basalt stone on the floor and water coming out of large boulder. Once done, now it will generate the image based on your prompt. Now let us move on to the next prompt. A Japanese woman sleeping north of her room and a ghost watching her. So once you are satisfied with the generated image, you can use the U buttons to upscale your generated image. After that, click on the Vary Region button. Now use the freehand or rectangular section tools to select the part of the image you want to change. After that, create a new prompt. Then click the Submit button to send your request. The Midjourney will generate variations based on your selected region and the new prompt. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link in the given description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.